All right, we're going to do some function notation, which is our concept 2. So let's look at this one here first of all. It says let's plug in this into it. So I'm taking the square root of a negative 4. And when I take the square root of a negative 4, hopefully you guys are remembering, we don't get a real answer with that. Because negative 2 times negative 2 is positive, and positive 2 times positive 2 is positive. So we have no real solution. This year, we're going to look at what kind of solution we have, if there's something other than real. Alright, let's look at this one here. Notice I'm setting this guy here. Now, if you're watching these videos and you're like, ah, I finally get this, then come on into your tutorial time and retake it. Get some help and retake it. So I'm going to move the 27 over first, then I'm going to move the 3, and oopsies, got a little excited there. And then I'm going to just square root. And the square root of 9, you could either have a plus 3 or a minus 3 in this guy to get our answer. For this one here, just slightly different. 5 is equal to the square root of x plus 7. And the first thing I need to do is remove this guy. And the way that I do that is I square both of them. So that undoes that, leaving you with 25 is equal to x plus 7. And so x would have to equal 18. So we just check it out. 18 plus 7 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Check. Oh, happy days. So now what we're doing is we're saying, all right, what are some inputs that I can plug in today that wouldn't give me a real solution? So if I plug in a 3, that's fine. I get root 10. Here is root negative 1. That's a problem. Here is root negative 13. That's a problem. Why? You can't have a negative under there. Here's root 17, root 14, root 1. So that works. It's not just that the negatives don't work. You just can't have a negative when you're done. Here's root 8. Here's root 0. We can have root 0. Root 0 is fine. Here's root 3. Here's root 7. So it's really just these guys here that don't work. And I'm supposed to circle them. There we go. And the reason is we can't have a negative number under the square root in order to get a real solution. Again, we will look at what that means later, but right now we're just testing some points, plugging them into our calculator, seeing what happens.